Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? Happy cast iron. Hold on a minute. That's better. Gotta wear the proper attire. So, gotta have my cast iron Wednesday shirt. Alright, so I was gonna do, for this month, or this week. So this month is fair game, you know, cook's choice. Thought I'd do, I was gonna do chip beef and toast, or shit on a shingle. But then, I saw Shovel Head 8 made biscuits, and I just thought, man, I gotta make biscuits. So I'm gonna make something I've actually made before. It's ground beef, bacon, gravy over biscuits. It is delicious, so highly recommend making it. Let's get started. And I just really love these biscuits. If I forget to link the description, just check my channel for the video I did on them. Kind of went over it step by step. Apparently I'm just going to throw flour everywhere too, so.
Alright, and chop up some bacon.
Alright, and chop up some bacon. Ground beef. I also seasoned my ground beef with the usual suspects, paprika and what else? A little Old Bay. All right, salt. Add some crushed garlic. An optional add, but add some mushrooms if you so choose. Bacon is coming together. Alright, bacon is done, but I want to keep all that awesome bacon grease. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to pour this bacon grease into the center. Add flour. Put flour into the whole lot. And then add beef stock. See how that flour is turning it into a making its own sauce in there? A little bit more stock. My biscuits are done. I need to get them out of the oven. Oh yeah, look at those. They look great. Check the thickness of this. I think I want it a little runnier, so I'm going to add just a little bit more stock. And no, I'm not measuring, I'm just kind of pouring it in there. That might be good enough. So I want it to run all over the biscuits, so. Should be good. It's about done. I did forget. You gotta add salt and pepper. Maybe a little extra pepper. Because I do love me some pepper. Now if it seems pretty runny, don't forget it's going to thicken as it sits. And when it gets cold, it's going to thicken even more. And I made a little extra because I'm taking some to work tomorrow for lunch. So, sweet. I think it's about time we dished up. So we've got 2 delicious biscuits here. Some of this ground beef gravy. And of course, gotta throw the bacon bits right on top. Look at that. And I made a corn on the cob because it's in season. Alright, let's taste it. Hot. Mmm. Oh man. Still good. Really good. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go sit down and eat dinner. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your view. Playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be down in the description. In the end, we'll have the playlist and also last week's video. Have a great rest of your week. Catch you in the next one.